welcome to my Finance Gyan Plus YouTube channel. Today I have brought another problem related with financial ratio analysis. So here 5 type of informations are asked here. So let's see the problem here. The following information of a company are given as current ratio 2 times, current asset 4 lakh, stock 50,000, fixed assets 5 lakh, sales 8 lakh, net profit 1 lakh, long-term debt 2 lakh, and you are required to find current liabilities, asset test ratio, profit margin, stock turnover ratio, return on assets. So these informations you have to find. So if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe with your friends. Okay, now let's see how to solve this problem. So if you cannot see these problem questions in your mobile, you use your mobile in landscape mode, then you can see the questions and solutions easily. Okay, so now let's solve the problem here. So first let me write the given. Here given here current ratio 2 times, current asset 4 lakh, stock 50,000, fixed asset 5 lakh, sales 8 lakh, net profit 1 lakh, long term debt 2 lakh. So these are the informations given here. So now first of all you have to find the current liabilities here. So solution A, calculation of current liabilities. So here to find current liabilities you have to use current ratio and current asset. So you know the formula of current ratio equal to current asset upon current liability. So here current ratio equals to current assets upon current liabilities. Current asset upon current liabilities, or current liabilities equal to current assets upon current ratio. Now let's put the value of current assets and current ratio. Current asset here 4 lakh divide by current ratio 2, so that is your 2 lakh. So now current liabilities, therefore current liabilities equals to rupees 2 lakh. Now after finding current liabilities, now you have to find the acid test ratio. Okay, for calculation of acid test ratio, now let's write first calculation of acid test ratio. Here acid test ratio is also it's called quick ratio. So you can use the formula of quick ratio for finding acid test ratio. It means the same thing here. So here acid test ratio equals to quick assets upon current liabilities. Quick assets upon current liabilities. So here quick assets, you can use current assets minus inventory for quick assets. So here quick asset, you can write another formula here for that. Current assets minus stock. For inventory it's given here, stock is given here. Stock is given here, so you can use stock, current assets minus stock upon current liabilities. So here these quick assets are those assets which can be converted into cash in a very short period of time. So here quick assets items are not given, so you can use current asset minus stock to find the quick asset. So now let's see. Current assets is here 4 lakh. It's here 4 lakh minus stock 50,000 divided by current liabilities 2 lakh. So here 3,50,000 divided by 2 lakh. Now you can get the value of asset test ratio. 3,50,000 divided by 2 lakh. You get 1.75:1, or also you can write 1.75 times. 1.75 times. Okay, so in this way you can find the value of acid test ratio. Now A and B is solved. Now for the C, it's you have to find profit margin. So to find profit margin, now let's see how to solve. Calculation of profit margin. So to find profit margin, net profit and sales is given. Net profit and sales is given. So here profit margin equal to net profit upon sales. So here net profit is rupees 1 lakh divided by sales is 8 lakh. So now your value will be 1 lakh divided by 8 lakh, that is 0.125, or you can write 12.5% is the profit margin for this company. Now you have found net profit margin, or you can say profit margin. After finding profit margin, you have to find now stock turnover ratio. Calculation of stock turnover ratio. So here stock turnover ratio here means it's an inventory turnover ratio. Inventory turnover ratio. So you can use the formula of inventory turnover ratio for stock turnover ratio. So here stock turnover ratio equal to sales upon stock. Sales upon stock, because here gross profit is not given, so you don't have to use cost of goods sold. You can directly use sales upon inventory or sales upon stock to find the stock turnover ratio. So sales is here rupees 8 lakh and stock is 50,000. So here 8 lakh divided by 50,000, 16 times. So your stock turnover ratio is 16 times. Now after finding stock turnover ratio, the last ratio you have to find is return on asset. Okay, so calculation of return on assets. So here return on assets equal to net profit upon total assets. So here you can directly put the value of net profit and then divide by the total asset to find the return on asset. So here now you have to find the total asset here. In working note, total assets equal to, for total asset, now informations are given here, current asset is given here and fixed asset is given here. So you can use current asset and fixed asset to find the total asset. So your total asset equal to current assets plus fixed assets. So your current asset is your 4 lakh plus fixed asset is 5 lakh. So here total is rupees 9 lakh. 9 lakh is the total asset. So here now you can put the value of total asset here in the ratio. So here net profit is your 1 lakh divided by total asset 9 lakh. So 1 lakh divided by 9 lakh, it is 0.1111 or 11.11%. So you have the return on asset 11.11%. So in this way you have to solve this problem. So if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe.